This one is that horse skeleton. Today we will discuss about the types of the skeleton and types classification of the bones. First one we discuss about the types of the skeleton. In skeleton it has three further types. Like first one is that appendicular skeleton. In case of the horses, forelimb and hind limb included in the appendicular skeleton. In appendicular skeleton, which will provide the support of whole body and act as a lever or motion. And second category is that axial skeleton. In axial skeleton included skull, vertebral column, ribs and sternum. This one is that axial skeleton. Third category is that splanchnic skeleton. What is that splanchnic? Splanchnic means organs. Those organs which have a bone. This one is that splanchnic skeleton. In case of the ox, its heart has a one short type of the bone. This is called os cardiac. And in case of the ox, its penis have a bone. This one it is called os penis. Os means bones and penis. And second is that classification of the bones. Today basically we discuss about what type of the bone it is present on the skeleton. The whole skeleton have rows of the bone and which will further categorize into the different types. First type is that long bones. These bones of the forelimb and hind limbs, its shape is also long and its function is just like same. It acts as a lever, motion, protection, sportive. And these forelimb or hind limb bones, and it is included in the long bones. Second category is that short bones. And short bones is also present in forelimb and hind limb joints. This one is that shortest bone present in that joint. This is called carpal bones, which will categorize into the short bones. And just like same in the hind limb, this one is that tarsal bones, which will present on that joint, and also smaller bone, and it will categorize into the shortest bone. First category in which also included in the shortest bone, this one is the patella bone, sesamoid bones. Patella is the largest sesamoid bones, and second is that this one is also a sesame shaped bones. And third category is that flat bones. Flat bone is that scapula and os coxae. Os coxae and scapula is the flat bones. And scapula is that skull is also a flat bones. And scapula, this one it is called shoulder bone, and os coxae it is also called hip bone. And fourth category is that irregular bone. All the vertebral column bones like cervical, thoracic, lumbar, these all types of the vertebral column bones, this one is categorized into the irregular shapes. In the skeleton just look like that irregular shape. Somewhat is the smaller, some are larger, and some transverse process is larger and some shorter. This also include in that irregular bones. These are